So when I first read this story involving a Kentucky cheerleader, it absolutely made my stomach turn. So it turns out this cheerleader by the name of Lakin Snelling carried a baby to term, gave birth to a baby, then got rid of the baby by stuffing it inside of a bag. So she's been charged with some very serious crimes, including manslaughter, murder, and the abuse of a corpse, her own child. So this is when the tough work is done by the investigators, right? So they have to determine what happened surrounding the unaliving of this child. Was the child born alive? Did the mother have something to do with its untimely passing? There's a lot of things that need to be investigated, and so this is why autopsies and further investigation is absolutely critical and necessary. So this case has absolutely gone viral with a very popular cheerleader, of course. When you're looking at the emotions of the unaliving of a child, you're looking at mental health issues, you're looking at resources to young mothers, decisions that young people are making as related to pregnancies and birth, changes of laws, safe haven laws, all kinds of things that are going on here. A whole lot to unpack. So one of the biggest problems I think that the mother's going to have in a situation like that absolutely stems from these safe haven laws. In Kentucky, they have laws that allow parents to legally surrender an infant in this situation in designated safe places such as hospitals, police stations, fire stations with no criminal penalty. If that is in fact the case, then a mother has to decide, do I want to follow the law and do the right thing, or do I want to take the chance of risking my health, violating the law, and disposing of an infant in a fashion of this nature? A lot to really unpack here. So as we all know, a lot has changed with regards to women's rights, abortion laws, and changes throughout the country as related to these very specific issues. And while those laws have become a lot more stringent, it is important for us to relate that there are still options out there. You don't have to break the law. There are ways to address pregnancy issues that don't circumvent the law. So of course, this is a developing story, right? So there's updates going on with this, and we're following it constantly because investigators are uncovering more information as related to this situation all the time. Do you want to hear more about it? Let us know. Comment. Let us know what you're thinking and what you want to hear as related to issues of this nature. Follow for more legal breakdowns you didn't know you needed to know.